Tell us where we are.
We're in the Yea wetlands. We've got Cummins Lagoon. That's where you goon. You got the coppers there. You got to watch out. King's on the loose. You got Frog Pond, and you got that. And you got Woodsy's lagooning area. That's where Woodsy goons. And we're here. Don't forget that. And Jim's over there.
They got like in the billboards.
We've gone for a fucking week.
72 weeks.
Yeah, this was the same price as the little boxes.
Oh, was it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. What happened? It's just.
Alright, this is the cottage pie from Yea.
1, 2, 3. Let's dig in.
Oh, it's fucking all potato, dude. Not enough meat ratio. Because I like meat.
Gather around this table of boys. Bring my shame, I lose my voice. It's good. Scream at the gods about the bad we've done.
I don't sit like right.
Merle said, Mama tried, but the prison still won. Your transgressions are mine as well. Anger rose and it grows and it could not tell. But I'll find comfort and company. Lord, forgive us, my boys and me. We're having it all night revival. Some call women and someone steal the Bible for to save my survival. Baptize me in a bottle of bean, put Johnny on the vinyl. Well, the devil can't strike, but the Lord has won. Now talk to him under rising suns.
Give me a sign, cause I'm losing my head, trying to make you mine. Is it really love? Is it all in my mind? Is it crazy? I think of you all of the time, baby. Is it really love? Can you give me a sign? Cause I'm losing my head, trying to make you mine. Time for the one that I'm watching. I'm just in prime if you wanna get something. No Valentine, but my heart be pumping. I don't know the fucking words, con. I'm just having fun on stage in my heels. It's where I belong, down at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing down in West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. Pink Pony Club.
I think he knows what he's doing. What are you doing?
Bro, I'm trying to find the key.
Is it in here?
I did a good fart.
Is it in here?
Oh, you're fucking filming. Yeah.
What, in one of these rocks?
Look, I'll show you. He said behind. The fuck do you say? Left rock gate pillar. Look, see, it's meant to be like tucked in there.
Oh, did it fall out? Oh, it's right there on your foot. Right there.
Oh,
right there.
Sake.
That ain't funny. Can't find the key.
Dude, look at this. It's so sick.
I got a good photo.
I got a beard here today. Stop fucking filming, cunt. Catch my autism live.
It's good.
It needs to upload daily, bro.
I don't like this.
Get in.
I was scared of the fucking golf cart.
Do you love me?
god.
Whoa.
No, it's a different house.
Dude, what the fuck? Oh, it's so different.
I don't wanna bet, but my father wrote a check that I bet his ass could never cash. He's betting on the 8-ball, landing in the sidewall, cold-blooded killer if you ask. But every night he needs me to land himself a red 3-corner pocket at 12 a.m. Only 12 years old, but I got a hold of a post-it I was gifted from him. My father is a betting man, but I got myself a steady hand. He's sitting in the corner with a 6-pack of Corona, betting that his son will win again.
On camera.
Oh, not on camera.
There's a camera there.
Mate, I just want to record this in case. You're in. How much have you got left? $20.
$20 left.
He's down 50 already.
If I pull an 8 with this card, can you just? I want you to like record his face just in case this is an 8. Go up real close to it. Get closer to me. Ready? Watch me. I don't know what it is. Ready? Ready? Oh, dude.
How the fuck? He's actually an 8, dude.
Alright, we're live. Let's get a little live update from Jimmy. We're popping right now.
Alright, so as you can see here, I've split 3 times. Stood on this hand. Kenny's shuffling for these hands coming up. Kenny's got a 7. I'm sure what's under that card. If it's a 10, I'm gonna kill myself.
How we feeling? Feeling confident?
I'm feeling pretty good right now. I'm feeling pretty good, yeah. We got 3 10s on the fucking board.
Yeah.
So, get another 10, split again.
We'll come back soon for a live update. We're live.
Hit or stand? Stand.
Ooh.
Hit.
Dude,
I'm
wait.
gonna fucking lose.
Oh, okay.
Stand.
You don't want to split again on that one? Or you
So we got 20, 20, 15.
Oh!
We got 12 here.
Oh my god.
16.
Oh my god.
Oh. He's got 19. So he wins there.
Sorry, it's the
Wins
same.
there.
Nothing
and
happened.
literally nothing. That was the most underwhelming shit ever.
Cheers, buddy.
that boom, boom, boom. Gotta get that boom, boom, boom. Gotta get that boom, boom, boom. Gotta get that boom, boom, boom. That boom, boom, boom. That boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I'm on that supersonic boom. Yeah, I hit that
Spaceship zone. Inside the room, that bitch go ape shit. Boom. Yeah, yeah, that's super 8 shit. I go that super 8 shit. They get that HC rap. This beat go boom, boom, pap. I'm a beast when it turns me on, but the beast in Cybertron. Better, stronger, but ladies extra longer. But we gonna beat that pound. We gonna beat that pound. We gonna beat that 808. That boom boom in my town. People in a place. If you wanna get drunk, put your hands in the air. Then you're free to watch the beat now. Rockin' them beats, yeah, yeah, yeah. I be rockin' them beats, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Here we go, satellite radio, y'all get hit with the
Boom, boom,
beat so big, I'm stepping on leprechaun, shitting on y'all with the
boom, boom. Shitting on y'all with the boom, boom.
shitting on y'all with the
Boom, boom.
this beat be bumping, bumping.
This beat go boom, boom. The beat rock. Let the beat rock. Let the beat rock.
This beat be bumping, bumping. This beat go boom, boom.
Boom, boom, pound. And bitches jacking my style. They here to cover my swagger. I'm on that next shit now. You sold 2008. You sold 2000 and late. I got that boom, boom, boom. That future boom, boom, boom. Let me get it out. Boom, boom, boom. Gotta get that. 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 Boom, boom, boom.
That
Boom, boom, boom.
that
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Let the beat rock. Let the beat rock. Let the beat rock. Oh, done.
My name's Jimmer. I'm 20 years old, from Mount Martha, and I'm 5'2".
My name's Fourbys. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Mount Eliza, and I weigh 150 kilos. My name's Kenny. I'm 20 from Mount Eliza, and I'm at to put on a road performance.
Dude, hopefully this camera angle looks good as. Hopefully this.
I use a fucking 9-iron. Yeah.
I'll be running circles around you sooner than you know. A little off center and I'm out of tune. Just kicking this can along the avenue, but I'm alright.
Oh, shot on a booty camp. Yeah, I'm every full chance. Fuck, I can't even speak. I don't know what I'm doing. Camera, by the way. Yep. I know. Where'd it go? Where did that go? I don't know, but that's bullshit. Oh my god! It kind of hurt because I'm shit, and it was a really bad shot. But I'm straight. I'm okay. Wait. That was a good shot. How you feeling off that one?
Shot review on that. Came off fucking clean. I drove it, what, 50 meters going off that mark just there. Probably hit it another, what, 50 in 2 shots into par 4. So we're actually on for par again for like the 9th time.
Come on, boys. Oh, JP's just hit it into the fucking trees.
Joe, where'd that go?
I don't know where that went.
The review of my last shot, I was over there. I was in the trees thinking, God, I'm in the bushes right now. And then I hit it and I fucking, oh God, scary old guy. I'm on to that.
Shit.
How'd that shot look?
We did that.
My name's Jimmer, and I thought the course was pretty nice. I'm trying not to laugh now because Kenny's laughing behind the camera. But yeah, a few wallabies out there, a few kangaroos. One of the, what hole was it? Hole 3 or 4 with the lake next to it.
3.
That was a pretty nice hole as well. My performance today, the first 6 holes were terrible. I was the caddy for 4 holes in a row, which was pretty embarrassing. But then I kind of locked in for the last 2 holes, which is lucky because in the last 2 holes, Joe hit a bit of a downhill trend. So I'm pretty confident with my score of 65. I'll give it an 8.
Okay.
8 out of 10. It would have been better if we weren't pressured by the PGA Tour guys behind us.
JP coming at you. This course was lovely. I actually enjoyed it. It was great. My performance in the first 3 holes was terrible. Then I recovered it and Jim was a caddy and life was great. Then I forgot how to hit a ball and went into a state of depression. I hit a 13 on a hole, followed up with like an 8. And my final score doesn't even start with the same number as Jimmer's. My final score is 71.
Oh. Damn. Oh. My name's Ken. Me. I thought the course was pretty good. Like Jimmy said, the hole 3. Hole 3 was really nice with the water in the background, and the drives were pretty nice. Hit a few good drives as well. Rating my other performance out of 10 for the course though, I'm gonna give 7.2. And then like my performance out of 10, I think I played pretty well. Really good drives. One went super straight that I don't think anyone predicted. My performance out of 10 today, I'm going to give it a 7.4, going off my other performances which aren't great. And my final score was 60.
Holy shit, dude. We smashed it.
Yeah.
I feel a real connection to this place.
Oh shit. Trying the Toblerone cocktail at the Moala Ski Club. I'll give it a rating out of 10. Is it good? Honestly, it's pretty good. I'm gonna give it like a... I'm not gonna say... Actually...
Can I use the straws? Is that okay? Fuck, that's good.
Yeah.
That's actually like really
I
good.
don't know what I'd give it out of 10 though. They'd be like they're gonna suck.
That just doesn't. That doesn't even taste like alcohol.
It's an 8.
That's actually really
It's
good.
really good.
What are you rating it, Joe?
Like a good 8.5, I reckon.
I'm on that good cushion alcohol. I got some damn bitches I can call. I don't know what I would do without y'all. I'm a ball to the day I fall.
Yeah, long as my bitches love me, my bitches love me, my bitches love me.
Yeah.
I could give a fuck by no hate as long as my bitch.
$250 again. I got $200 I can never go. $225, right?
Just started.
Oh shit.
So many losses.
$225. We played blackjack and pokies. I had
255, bro.
255. So I had a generational run on the pokies.
This guy hit like 10 features.
Cashing the fuck out of this motherfucker. Oh yeah. Get this. Wait. Where's me 5? Oh, it's in there. Real quick. My god, I just opened the heaven gates. Where the fuck are these machines come from? Oh my god.
Alcohol.
Yeah.
I got some damn bitches I can call. I don't know what I would do without y'all. I'm a ball to the day I fall.
Yeah, long as my bitches love me, my bitches love me, my bitches love me.
Yeah.
I could give a fuck by no hate as long as my bitches love me, my bitches love me, my bitches love me. Yeah, I could give a fuck by no nigga long as the.
You're gonna get stolen for that. They're probably watching camp, so this guy's on camp, bro. Regretted no Bolter.
Oi, brothers! Are you my brother? Wait, Jim's my brother!
Heartbeat, I chest to chest with this bitch. Now turn around, face down. I'm arresting this bitch. Yeah, all my bitches love me, and I love all my bitches. But it's like soon as I come,
I don't know how it goes.
I come to my senses, and I would say these hoes names, but then I would be snitching, and these haters try to knock me, but they can't knock me off the hinges.
You know how it goes. That was Aura then, bro.
I don't know what I would do without y'all. I'm a ball to the day I fall.
Yeah, long as my bitches love me, my bitches love me, my bitches love me. I could give a fuck by no hate as long as my bitch love it. My bitch love it. My bitch love it. Yeah, I could give a fuck, bro. I lost a few good bitches, met some more bad bitches, and I be schooling them niggas. Pose for your class picture, and I kiss my ass if you hate. I'm getting ass, so I'm skating. Yeah, I lost a few good bitches, met some more bad bitches, and I be schooling them niggas. Pose for your class picture, and I kiss my ass if you hate. I'm getting ass, so I'm skating.
It'll be fine by the
Come on, Jimmy.
I'm in. What's the pizza? I'm not stopping, bro.
Yeah, go bigger, go wider.
Oh my god.
Bro.
I literally can't stop. Bro, this is not a good idea.
when you play so
Bro, I couldn't break out of the floor.
I'm damned if I do, and I'm damned if I don't. 'Cause if I say I miss you, I know that you won't. But I miss you in the mornings when I see the sun. Something in the orange tells me we're not done. To you I'm just a man, to me you're all I am. Where the hell am I supposed to go? Poison myself again, something in the orange tells me you're never coming home.
Yep. Hold to the fence. Easier. Let it go. There you go.
A few inches later.
Think I can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide.
Yeah, car. Yeah, car.
Doing it.
Yeah, car.
Oh, I gotta keep up there, ready?
You're gonna bomb it. Huh?
You're gonna bump this hill.
I'll try. It'll be a good shot if I fall.
You're gonna fall.
Huh? Alright.
I think fall. Oh, what?
I fell. This is such a funny shot right now. No! so sick.
Out of 10?
Out of 10. Well, maybe if the chairs were open, it'd be better. But I've had fun. First time at the snow, like, you know, on your own, proper trip. Proper trip. Out of 10. Out of 10? I'd say.
First day though, by the way.
7.5 so far.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Look at this. This. Oh, dude! It's like a coin thickness, bro. Oh, what my fucking god. I think you're involved in. That is crazy.
You have to do also. I'm getting in the car. Oh my god. Yeah, I will, bro. Open the door, mate. Open the fucking door. Besides it being literally icy on everything, everything's covered in ice. Besides that, I mean, it's been a pretty good day. I'm just fucking soaked. You know, Jimmy's making me get naked in front of him. So I'm gonna give it, honestly, 7 out of 10 for the first day. It's bad, I mean, it's so bad, but 7 out of 10 for the first day. Oh, rough, bro.
First day.
Maybe it'd be a 7 or a 10 if Jim had turned the fucking car on. Dude.
Ice on my seat!
That's what I'm saying. Turn the fucking car on. Dude, no, Jimmy, you're taking the piss now. Turn the car on. Fucking the keys, bro.
Take him.
Where?
In that pocket.
Bro!
Bro, you're in my way now, you dog. This isn't even fucking rotated. It's raining in here. Oh my god.
Oh.
Okay, that's probably not good.
You have to wipe it down with your hand.
Yeah.
Woo!
Bro, they're gonna get like fucked down the bottom. It's
Nah,
like,
it'll
it's
melt.
all clumped up.
It'll melt.
I need to use them now.
Bro, it'll melt. It'll melt.
Oh my god, it's snowing in my
Yes! Dude. God damn!
Well, as long as there's no permanent damage. See, oh, there's your badge. Get the badge in.
Oh, dude. What a fucking shift.
The thermal's out.
Dude, my dick is out, bro.
Bro, my swag's underwater. Stop breaking my handle, you fucking cunt.
This
Come fill my glass up a little more. We're about to get up and burn this floor. You know we getting hotter and hotter, sexy and hotter. Let's shut it down. Yo, what I gotta do to show these girls that I own them? Some call me Nikki and some call me Rowman. Skeezer, please, I'm in a visa. Whoa, Giuseppe's and I need my own sneaker. Sexy, that's all I do. If you need a bad bitch, let me call up you. I'm still in them little mini skirts is out.
-1.
I'm going to die.
-1. It's -1.
I'm going to die.
Get the camera on that.
I'm a bad bitch, no muzzle. Come fill my glass up a little more. We're about to get up and burn this floor. You know we getting hotter and hotter, sexy and hotter. Let's shut it down.
Dude.
Come get me, baby. We're not getting younger. I just want you tonight, baby. We won't do it for life.
Slam twice.
Come fill my glass up a little more. We about to get up and burn this floor. You know we getting hotter and hotter, sexy and hotter. Let's shut it down. From the alarm. From the alarm.
Yeah. Slice it. Yeah. You're not featuring. Huh? You're not featuring.
Come fill my glass up a little more. We about to get up and burn this floor. You know we getting hotter and hotter, sexy and hotter. Let's shut it down.
It just stays off. Yeah, go. I'll follow you. Down the left of the orange poles you see. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I think you back now, go to the borders.
Look at this guy. Jimmy, straighten your legs, mate. Oh, you got it. Go, Jimmer. Dude, we're going the wrong way. We're going to that massive hill you didn't want to go down. Yeah. Dude, I had a big slam. We'll just stay at the summit then. Summit's better for you. Go on. Oh. Oh. Dude, so close. That was good. Feeling something to do. I'm feeling something to do. I'm feeling something to do.
Fuck the tobogganing, let's just have a beer and go.
Oh, that's my beer. Drink my beer, drink my beer.
Have a sip.
Dude, I can't drink my beer, can you open it? No, I want to try toboggan. Hold on for a sec. Hold this, hold both ears.
This shit is way too fucking thick.
Hold this. Ready? Oh, dude.
Holy shit, God! Oh my... Bro, no, Kenny, we need to go. This snow is too thick.
Oh, bro, this snow's so good. It's perfect. Go once. Go once.
Bro, my shoes are fucked.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, bro.
I can't get up.
Go once, go.
Hold my beer.
Take your beer with you.
No, hold my beer.
I'll put it in the snow. Go. Run and jump.
Damn, son, where'd you find this? Oh my God! Oh! Oh my fucking God! No, get the
Dude.
My name's Jimmer, and I really.
Joe, come on, man. Start again. And action.
My name is Jimmer, and just spent a couple of days in the snow. For today, I'm gonna rate it a solid 8 out of 10. Points dropped for being the designated driver and having the shits this morning and not being able to sleep or eat all day. But other than that, it's been pretty good. Oh my fucking God. Bro, we just slid. We're sliding. I literally have no control.
Don't press anything. Just let it go.
I wasn't.
Let it go.
I had no control going down those little bends there. God damn.
You out of 10, Jimmy?
Yeah, I said 8.
Hi, my name is Fourbys, and today was a solid 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10 maybe. Drop points for the fact that I sat in the pub all day by myself. But bonus points for cheap beers and cheap shots. And my shoes are really wet. But I have a beer.
Thanks for running my interior.
Name's Ken. I'm gonna give today a 10 out of 10. Nah, 9.8 out of 10. 9.8. The 0.2 would have come if Jimmo drank. but obviously he couldn't. The slopes were good. Jimmy was really good on the skis as well in the end, and I learnt some new moves.
Oh, the slopes are in bed.
Wait till we get home.
Sure, just booked the cabin for you two.
Yeah. Yeah, 9.8 out of 10. I need a beer. Oh, and I found a beer. Alright, Bazaar.
Of course, the shit that you do. What's in your business like deja vu? You're a snake. You're trying to call me out on view. I see right through. You're irrelevant when it's just.
It can't go on like this, can it? It can.
Think you get a lyricist? Yeah, I know you got a dress right, bitch. Yeah. Snakes on the plane, snakes on the
Yeah.
Snakes ain't shit in the side of the
Yeah.
None of these bitches are talking the
Yeah.
My brother gave me the boost.
But he gave everything to you.
Plumbing house too.
Oh my god.
Are you just gonna Twitchy crew? We bred and fed you.
I can't stop. Holy shit.
Holy shit.
Holy shit. But I can't stop. I can't do it. Can't stop addicted to the shindig.